basically, I hate museums, and I hate Blathers who runs the museum, and I want him to fucking die. Hey guys, welcome to my Animal Crossing Island tour. So, I know Animal Crossing in the year 2026 is so original. This isn't my first Animal Crossing island. I bought Animal Crossing again for the Switch 2. I had 60 hours on the Switch 1 and I did finish the game. So here I'll be showing you my village. This is my island. Someone should make Jeffrey Epstein's island on Animal Crossing. Okay, so this is my house. Yeah, basically, I got the first upgrade. So, the carpet, the floor, and wallpaper kind of match. So I thought this was nice. And while I'm crafting, I can have the fan blowing in my face, so it keeps me cool. And yeah, I'm looking for a few other things, but basically, yeah. It's my home, and obviously my home is the nicest because I'm the only one that matters on this island. I have some stuff on the beach in case someone's homeless and they need a place to crash. This is someone's house. I just put them here. I didn't give them any decorations because they don't deserve it. But yeah. Oh my god. I don't know any of their names because I can't be bothered. Yo, she has a kid. Ew, gross. Yo, don't smile at her. See, I have my mask on. These people are gross and they deserve to die. And they're probably sick. I don't want to get sick from them. Okay, so this is my town center. This is my nooks cranny. Oh my god, I hate these two. They're so annoying. Right, I put this doll outside of it to try to make it seem like a haunted village, but I don't know how else to make it haunted. Alright, now it's time for the grand reveal of my museum. Basically, I hate museums, and I hate Blathers who runs the museum, and I want him to fucking die, so that's why I put this explosive barrel outside the museum. It's so that if it catches fire, he'll freaking die. And the garbage bin, because that's what Blathers is. Garbage. I don't have time for museums and I'll never visit one. Museums are just for people who think they're interesting. I hate them. I hope Blathers fucking dies. Alright. So now moving on. I had to put this house here because I didn't have a choice. I don't know who lives here. And yeah, I don't know who who lives anywhere. Yeah, I don't know. I only really care about one thing. Myself and my house. Fuck everyone else. Yeah, is still in the process of being built, but yeah. There's also another villager living here, but I don't know who it is. Are they inside? Oh no, they're here. Oh my god. Yeah. No, thank you. I hate you. I hate all these villagers. I hope they all die. Oh, gross. Get me out of here. Okay, let's go into it. I have a massive debt to this mother, to this guy right here, because I hate him, and he likes, yeah, I hate him. I hope he dies. Anyway, so that's the tour. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and fuck Easter, is fuck Egg Day, and yeah. Thanks for watching and subscribe for future interrogation of villagers.